Hello guys, and I'm going to add another new video. Actually, this video is the way I'm going to use jQuery data table. And I will show the example. You can see this page. It is the jQuery data table we use for display the data to the user, and they have searching and sorting and pagination, and also we are showing some data in this side also. Actually, in this example, in jQuery data tables, we have to normally write down the codes in the client side. What I did actually, I created the reusable server-side code for generating jQuery data tables with whatever we need columns to display to the users. The concept is actually in here we are going to map with the SQL Server view. Actually, it is a user created view and our jQuery data table. Don't confuse, I will explain quickly within 5 minutes. First, I created the view. This will contain the data to need to be displayed to the user, and ID column is here. Okay, and now I'm going to do is I'm going to this view name and view column names are going to match. Okay. In our example, we are requesting home controller index page. It means home controller index page. In here, first we have created our models. Model means actually column names. Therefore, I created a specific table, jDataTable VM, and so then we have a list of models. Okay, model means these are the columns in our view, SQL Server view. These are the columns, and this should be matched. That's how we do the mapping things. So likewise, we created the data columns, what are the needed, and also if you need to hidden, you have to just specify these things. Okay, these are the list of columns that we're going to display to the user. And then I created a separate method, create jQuery data table. It is a type function. In here, I use entity framework to get the data. This is my view. It is a class in the .NET. These are the columns, and I pass in that one. And the first parameter is we are going to give the ID. I said actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to return in the string actually, and which is appended to the HTML page. So in here actually jQuery data table finally created the HTML table. Therefore, I can create my own ID for this jQuery data table. So as an example, I say this is employee specific scenario, employee grid ID. The next part is model. Model means this is a list of parameters. This part is, and also we need to, once we are created our client side grid, so then we need to populate the data. This is the method to get the data. It is a home controller get employee. So this is this method. That's all. Once we request this home controller index page, in here we are returning server side to the client side data using viewback. I'm going to the server side methods. Server side method, you have to just only specify this code. That's enough. Just bootstrap class, and this is our viewback information, and I put it as a raw data. That's the first part. It means we register or we append the HTML string which is coming from the server side to the client side. So the second part is we have to specify, we have to write down the code what we need. Get employee view. It means actually we are calling to the our SQL Server database view get employee view in here. But that is also need going through the method. In here, this is my command method. Get data table post values, and also it is a type function, and we are going to pass our class, and this is our SQL Server database view, and this is a request which is coming from the client side, and the connection string. That's all. This is actually we are done. The implementation is completed. We have to just run the application. In here application we can do all the things, and we can see the ID column is hidden, and all the data loading, paging, searching are doing server-side functionalities. I will show. First I'm going to paging, just only taking 10 records. Okay. We are only taking 10 records. We have 131 records, just only 10 records. Searching also the same. Let's say searching actually work. It is not only work with the specific column. In here, this we are entered value. We are searching all the columns. Okay, it's a global search for the table, and also we can search and sorting also the server side. Just only taking the 10 records. That's enough. Okay. I think if you have any questions regarding this one, please put the comments. If you have any idea and what the heck of this, and you can put whatever you want. And I know first one is actually HTML. I forgot to say something, and this part you can highlight the records, because in here we specified the anchor tag, and using that class we can do a lot of things, data loadings and a lot of things we can do to think in the different way. Thank you very much. Hope you guys enjoy this.